Light, fluid, and pleasing is the exquisite design experience we have been pursuing. We started with the basics, focusing on the polish of every detail, overlapping, extending, and reconstructing until all the pieces settled into place. Consistent interface architecture frees you from learning and fits seamlessly into your habits. In every single detail, we are demanding, because we know that even a tiny change can wield great power. We endow objects with the qualities of physics, imitating inertia within the digital world and translate it for a small space. We are obsessed with simplicity and constantly take on new challenges, thinking everything through so our users don't have to. For us, this is good design.